No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to 4,000. Court is calling 2023 CR 3141, State versus George Abaye. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Shannon Locke for George Abaye.
And are you Mr. Abaye?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Judge Abaye who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3141 for the offense of assault causing bodily injury family member on September 30th, 2025 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant George Chimpaka Abaye committed the offense of fraud, use, possession, identifying info, 5 items in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant George Chimpaka Abaye committed the offense of failure to identify, giving false/fictitious info in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 1 and 1? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion at revoke and sentence to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Take into consideration clauses 2026 PF 24124 and 2026 PF 24125 and run concurrent with causes
Wait,
2025
just 1 second. Current with,
2025
Mhm.
CC 011311 and 2026 CC 010449.
I'm sorry, could you do the last numbers after the CC?
010449.
The problem is when I look at the home run keys instead of just doing it, it's like,
Sorry, Judge.
oh, no problem. That's on me. All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is the proposed agreement, Your Honor. It's for the maximum that the court allowed. So, you follow that agreement?
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact
Yes, ma'am.
with rights to appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Counsel, is this an application?
No, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Court is calling 2026 CR 001952, State versus Albert Joe Dominguez Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Brendan Prada for the state.
Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez for defense.
And are you Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Dominguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge. What else?
Oh, no, that's the,
The rejected form. Oh, at the end.
all right, Mr. Dominguez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. It's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dominguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008316. State is taking in consideration 2026 PF 28857. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense, is that the plea?
It
Yes,
is,
Your
Judge.
Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Judge, you have state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
Your Honor, defense is no objection.
All right, did you review the waiver? State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just ask that you do approve and accept the agreement from the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008316. Take in consideration 2026 PF 28857, and there's to be There's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. This is the law regardless of what somebody has told you. Doesn't matter if you have drugs on you and they're for personal use. You still can be arrested. Understand? Because it's illegal. All right? You're going to have to make better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison, or somebody's going to end up identifying your body. You understand? All right, when you're released, you need to go to a sober support living home. You need to go and get help with your drug addiction. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.